Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now we download driver Lexmark. This here for serial, this here for your type, you type download. And this I am the official website for you. I am like the for the official website, not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website, you click here. It's right. Is the website loading. And this here for the printer, you scroll down, looking the title, driver and support. Click here for the title and this here for the loading landing page and look in the title driver and download. Click here for your driver and download and paste your model print this here for and click find driver and download. Find driver and download. And press what? Just here for detect your automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system Linux, Windows for Mac. I'm sure for Mac and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for not update for the Mac and this here for Mac 10. New version for Mac, Mac 12, Mac 11. This here for nothing to update for the version for Mac. And I'm sure for Linux and Linux version, you click here. This here for the not update for the Linux version. This here for the Fedora 17, and now Fedora update 2028, 28, 27. Okay, 28, 29. This new version for Fedora, and I'm change the system operation for Windows and this here for Windows version. You click here this here for update for Windows version, this here for Windows 11 support, and this here for Windows 10 support, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and this here for Windows Server support. And this video I'm need to download driver for Windows 11, select here and looking the date of release, and this here for new date release for Windows 11 support, and this here for the language English support. And I am recommendation for you to download for the package and looking here for the title Universal Print Driver Installation Package. You download here, you click here title and you click here button start download button. That's why and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, take USB cable printer and please what finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next and you finish. This here for the take automatic your USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.